I'm really excited to bring you today's paint project, and that is using the Dulux Renovation Range to make over an entire kitchen. So this is going to be a reno on a budget, but pack a big punch. Here's a hot tip when you are removing the kitchen cupboard doors and the drawers. Use some painter's tape and write the number on the tape and stick it on the back of the door. You want to then match that and stick that number inside the cupboard that door matches with. So when it comes time to putting the kitchen back together, you know exactly where each of your drawers and doors belong, takes the guesswork out, and you can just get it back together in much more seamless fashion. So we want to make sure that this paint lasts and gets longevity out of the time that we're going to spend doing this project. And that all comes back down to prep. We bang on it about every paint project, but this one in particular. If you think about a kitchen, there is so much wear and tear in a kitchen. You're opening cupboards and doors, you are cooking and the splashback gets food on it, you need to use different products to clean it, that sort of thing. So we are going to make sure the prep is right. Finally, the products that we're using today have different cure times. So traditionally, when you're painting a wall, you can generally recoat after an hour. That's allowing everything to fully cure and then come on with the next layer. But with the Dulux Renovation Range, you really want to focus on the cure time. They are longer, so that's anywhere between 4 to 8 hours, depending on which layer and coat you're using. So that is a time constraint or a challenge that we have today in these projects. Kitchen is taking shape, and as you can see, the cupboards are coming back together. We also have a new timber bench top that's uncoated that needs some love today. So the game plan is to come in and give it a nice sand, and then use the Cabot's benchtop clear to give it a food safe coating. And that's really critical in a kitchen. You need the coatings to be food safe. Check out this kitchen.